Hello, salam alaikum everyone, and welcome in this Dev MENA session about AR experiences in the context of the Middle East Lansathon. أنا ريم خطاب, AI engineer and program manager at IXL Consulting. وراح نكون معكم in this session. خلينا نتعرفوا وش راح نشوف في هذا السيشن. So first we will have an overview, نظرة عامة على وش هو الهاكاثون and the conditions to participate, وشنو هما الشروط اللي يخلوك تشارك في هذا الهاكاثون. How to get start your learning journey with AR, augmented reality, learn about the lenses, راح نتعرف أكثر على lenses, و of course راح نتعلموا كيفاه we create our first lens even if we don't have previous experience. حتى ولو كنا مبتدئين في هذا المجال. We will also try to add some effects of our choice to our lens. نزيدوا يعني effects العدسة نتاعنا. Okay. So first, what is a lensathon? وش هو اللانساثون؟ هو كما الاسم تاعو يوضح، هو competition، هي مسابقة that consists of creating lenses, تصميم العدسات باستخدام lens studio, using the lens studio feature, lens studio platform. The steps are simple. You register, you create your lens and you submit. فقط أنت تسجل، تصنع العدسة ديالك و you submit it for a review. So first, of course, you will download the lens studio, create original lens, showcasing your local heritage and culture، لأنه الثيم نتاع هذا اللانساثون هو إبراز الثقافة والهيريتاج تاع your country. And of course there is a form كاين يعني استبيان راح تعمروا و باش ترسل يعني your official lens to the snap team. وإن شاء الله تكونوا واحد من الفائزين. Okay. So participation condition يعني are simple, since you stay in the topic. يعني ما بين أنت نزلت في الموضوع تاع culture, الهيريتاج، إبراز الثقافة العربية أو الثقافة المسلمة، ثقافة من الاختيار متاعك. and you are resident in one of the MENA country, Algeria, Morocco, Tunisia, قطر، السعودية، إمارات، بحرين، لبنان، ليبيا، العراق، الكويت, and so on. That's it. The conditions are very simple, and I encourage you to participate, since there are a lot of there will be a lot of winners and many prizes to win. Okay, so let's get started with AR. Okay, what is AR? AR stands for augmented reality، الواقع المعزز بالعربية. هي تكنولوجيا يعني تساعدنا باش نديروا الارت. So it enhances the real world with digital elements. So we create the digital elements and we add them to the real world. So it can be via a screen or even smart glasses. There is also a confusion between augmented reality and virtual reality and extended reality. So the virtual reality يعني it creates هذاك environment عكس augmented reality that we will add digital element to the real world. Extended reality يعني هي التكنولوجيا اللي يعني تجمع ما بين these two immersive technology, but it differ how they interact with the reality. Okay, what is a lens, or ما هي العدسة؟ أن هي فقط a projection of digital information into the user's view. يعني إحنا كuser يعني we will have something projected in our view. There is a lot of platform used to build these digital element and add them to the real world. يعني هناك منصات عديدة لاختراق هذه digital object، من بينها اللانس ستوديو من طرف شركة سناب. يعني عندها مميزات عديدة، من بينها السرعة، يعني هي سريعة جدا. عندها GenAI Suite، يعني حاجة من الذكاء الاصطناعي التوليدي يتخلينا we create، يعني نخترقوا هذا digital information بسهولة. There is also an integration with Snapshot، يعني السوشيال ميديا اللي نعرفوه كاع Snapshot. So once we create these filters or these lenses, we call them filters, but in actual there are lenses, and we can of course publish them or share it with our friends. So this is the specificity of Lens Studio. It has a direct integration with Snap. Also, we can link them to spectacles that are smart glasses. Also, it is compatible with mobile and web applications. Okay, so what are the essential steps to create your first lens؟ يعني الخطوات الأساسية من أجل اختراق العدسة. Okay, so the plan is first to choose to prepare the digital elements. يعني وش هذوما digital elements اللي رايحين we put them in our real world. Choosing the team, collecting or creating the resources, and set up the scene. For example, in this cultural lensathon, the theme راهو باين. The theme هو إبراز ثقافة، إبراز heritage, etc. Of course, second step is to enhance the real world with prepared materials. And of course, we can add visual effects. We have filters، يعني we have filters or color changing. يعني لما نضغطه راح يتغير لون الشعر، لون العيون if it is a face filter، or إذا كان filter or lens متعلق بالملابس تغيير لون التيشيرت etc. There is also interactive effects، يعني هذا يعني for face gesture or touch input also. Okay, so without further ado, let's go and create our first lens. Okay. Okay, so here is the environments of Lens Studio. Here we have the asset browser. Here we have the scene hierarchy, and here we have the preview. يعني هنا راح نشوف وراح يعطينا نظرة كيف الفلتر، كيف اللانس، كيف العدسة راح نشوفوها in the camera or في snapshot or في أي where it is integrated. Okay. And here we have the GenAI suite that we will use. يعني راح نستخدمه هنايا this box. يعني we have multiple assets that we can generate. For example, Bitmoji app animation. البيتموجي هذا شنو هو؟ it is integrated to Snapchat. يعني each user has the ability to have its own representing avatar, and there are some lenses يعني يخلوك أن يتحرك your bitmoji, your avatar. Okay, this is body generator. يعني هذا راح it will generate a body for you. Face generator will generate a face for you. راح يعني راح يولد لك face. Okay, garment is for everything related to the clothing, and we have other GenAI tools. يعني هنايا we have texture. texture هذا يعني راح it will create لنا 2D elements. Okay, so let's get started. We will start with something basic مثل الفيس feature اللي نعرفوها ونشوفوها قاع. So we will add something for the face. Like if we want to use a face mask, we have to set the face mask, of course. Here is the face mask put here. Okay, we will go to the face mask and say, for example, strawberry mask. Okay. And we will see here the seed parameter here is standing for the randomness. يعني هو راح يتحكم في randomness, how random the generated mask will be. Okay, if we are not satisfied, يعني إذا احنا مش راضيين بالresult اللي مدلنا GenAI suite, we can also ask it to regenerate another filter. Okay, for example, here we have strawberry theme, but okay, we can regenerate another one. Okay, here it is. Okay, we can go for this filter. Let's go to the preview. Okay, and here we have to attach the face mask texture with the texture with the face mask that we have added. Okay, so now it is displayed as strawberry mask. يعني دائما الاليمنت اللي راح تولدوا بالذكاء الاصطناعي في GenAI suite راح يكون عنده نفس الاسم البرومبت اللي مديت له. اوكي، اللي اعطيناه يعني. Okay, strawberry mask. Okay, and it has changed. Okay, so here we have we can change also many parameters. For example, the colors here. We can choose burnt color. We can choose overlay, for example. Here to look more realistic. Okay, darken. Okay, if we put it as disabled, of course, by default it will be like that. Okay, let's put it as normal. Okay, so this is for the face. We can also use this garment filter. Okay, let's say strawberry dress, for example, strawberry or strawberry t-shirt. Okay. Okay, this is t-shirt. It looks great. I liked it. Okay, so I think I will choose it. Okay. importing the garment to the projects. Sometimes depending on the hardware, the object imported from the GenAI suite, يعني الأشياء اللي we import from the prompts from GenAI to our resources. هنا يعني it can be a little bit long يعني depending on your computer capacity. But here is the t-shirt. Okay, this girl is wearing the t-shirt. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is for the face mask and the garment feature. Okay, I will open another project to do some to do other things like background and image creation and so on. Okay. Okay, so now, for example, we would like to change the background. Okay. Okay, so once again we go to our GenAI suite. مرة أخرى نتوجه ل GenAI توليد الذكاء الاصطناعي، أداة توليد الذكاء الاصطناعي المتواجدة في Lens Studio. Okay, go to texture. Okay, let's say for example something related to heritage art culture. Okay, let's say Mecca image. Okay, to put the user in the theme and of course to put to stay in the topic. Okay, let's generate an image. Okay, we will try to generate another one. And this is okay, it can reflect Mecca with الحجاج and so on. Okay, apply. Okay, here it is displayed here, Mecca image. Okay, now we will try to a little bit more, little bit advanced feature, that is putting Mecca image as the background of this preview. So let's go ahead and start with creating segmentation texture. When create segmentation texture من الواجهات تاع الماتيريال. Then we will create a unit material also. Create unit material. Okay. Okay, let's rename this to segmentation. Then we will go here. Where is the shader part? Yes, here it is, the shader part. We have this base texture that we will activate and choose device camera. Okay. Where is the opacity? Opacity. Yes, here it is. Opacity. Choose segmentation texture. Yes. Okay. Okay. So now we have to create a screen image. Sorry. Screen image. Okay. Texture. Okay. Here, as we will choose our generated image here. Okay. We will add a component here in screen image. The material, set it to segmentation. Okay. Okay, blend mode. Where is the blend mode? Okay, set it to normal. Okay. I think it's not working. Okay. Okay, I will repeat it again. I think there is a problem. Okay, I will add a component. Okay, where is the segmentation object? Okay. Normal, okay. Okay, why this is not working? Okay, I will close the project. I'll repeat. Okay, so okay, let's move to something else and create just an ordinary image background. Okay, we'll go to texture and type just any background image, like okay, like strawberry field. Let's generate. Okay. Okay, add a scene image always. Okay, and here always set it to our strawberry fill. The blend mode on sorry, not the blend mode, the stretch mode enable us to say whether the image we would like it to fit our preview or to fill it entirely. Okay, for background, it's preferable to make it to fill all the preview. Okay. Okay. So here our preview has disappeared. So what we have to do is we have to move the orthographic camera to be the first one before the camera object. Okay, so let's move it like that. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I think I will repeat again. I apologize for the disagreement. Okay. Let's go and and create our texture image again. We can also add some keyword to our prompt, for example, cartoon or red strawberries or something like that. We say cartoon. Okay. We'll pick up the first one. Okay. We always have to add the scene image. Where is the screen image? Always attach the screen to our texture, our image with our texture. Okay. Here also we have the ability to change the alignment, so we can make it at the bottom, in the middle, or here also we can also flip it or rotate it, etc. Here are the features related to the image. Okay. Okay, so now we'll rename this. Okay, let's say on film. Okay, let's rename it like that. Now let's put this before the camera. I know why it is forbidden. Okay, let's try to make this here. No. Okay. Okay, now we go to go here and okay, we will try to okay, so here is the image, how it is displayed here. Camera objects, no. Not here. Just verify something. Okay. Okay, so I think that's it for our workshop. Unfortunately, we'll try to make it like that, so we can have a background of our generated texture image. I apologize for any inconvenience. If you would like to learn more about the Lens Studio, there is the official Snap AR link to help you to learn more about this topic.